Hello and welcome to the tutorial, and today we are going to insert text in object in drawing aligned with objects. Okay, so first thing first, we select something and objects appear as items in this list box, and you can see we've selected three lines and three items are appearing in this list box. Okay, so the button we care today is this one, insert next to object as text. So let's just click it. Okay, so now you see it. The text that was here appears here. Now this is not the most beautiful way to display text. Maybe we would like this text to be aligned, and it can be done. And to do it, I'll just draw two lines, and I will go to settings, and in settings there is insert alignment that controls bottom, top or center. This is the part where the text alignment point is, but we will leave it to bottom, meaning that the bottom part of the text will align to something. And here we have a position, and we have horizontal, align, central, centroid, start point, end point. We can choose here align. Okay, and let's try it. We will click insert next to object as text, and yes, it's here, aligned. What else can be said about this is that there is also an option called rotate to most readable. It is on now, and if I turn it off, this is what is going to happen. You see, this text here will not get to the best possible position. So this is just a small way to application try to guess, really just to guess what would be the best for you to see it. Okay, so this is basically it, and I will just show one more object, and that is, let's say I want to draw a circle, and it can be rectangle or anything, and I would like text to be in the middle of this circle. So just to repeat everything, we'll go here, and here I will say that position can be central and alignment center. Okay, and now when I insert it here, this text is now in the center of this circle. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and that's all for today. Thank you.